Hi there. This is just a quick reaction following the MyDay presentation today from me, Anna Morgan Thomas. As I mentioned in the discussion, I take a VLE perspective on this, and I'm hoping for a solution that will achieve personalization through linking whatever we choose with Moodle, our VLE. And thinking of that task, personalization and linking with Moodle, I have in mind a different system. I'm taking this opportunity to show you a different way of resolving the same problem. MyDay has a space which is called courses, which display a list of courses linking it, I presume, directly to the dashboard with Moodle. The dashboard in Moodle looks something like that. So here is me being logged in, and I have the list of courses. I can go to any of my courses. Here is one of them. Incidentally, this one is one of the courses that has been developed at the back of the BOLD initiative. Now I'm just switching to student view. The course may look unusual, but it's just a different way of displaying and organizing topics. Each image is a topic that corresponds to a session. Using new settings of Moodle, we've chosen a particular way of displaying sessions. This is one such weekly session, for example. It has some videos here, it has some exercises and sort of links to resources and further materials. Essentially, to get to a weekly topic such as survey, as I said, or sampling, for example, you have to go through the module to the session, which makes finding stuff quite tricky. Now, here is a different way of organizing it, and I am accessing a student account at medical school in Aberdeen. It's a friend's account, where once you log in, similar to our dashboard, you get to this place, and what you get here is your profile, the student profile, the recent lectures here on the right, followed by links to things that are considered important, such as, for example, bus service here, and feedback, all of your feedback over the years, going from the most recent to the oldest. What attracts me to this system is the central role of timetable and the way you can move from the timetable, your timetable, to Moodle or to the repository of various resources. So you can view the timetable by week, nothing happening this week. Imagine that this is 1 week of learning. In that week of learning, you have classes organized by hours, and when you click on a particular class, for example kidneys in systematic disease, you get to a page which is equivalent to one of the sessions, one of the topics in Moodle, and you get the overview of the session plus various learning resources, in this instance PowerPoint. On that particular topic, you can also use the rating scale here to rate how much you like the module. What's attractive here is that this timetable is personalized and that you can get to particular sessions through the timetable, that you can get through particular sessions and the resources associated through the timetable. You can also see your curriculum in previous years. So this is a second year student who can access year 1 and year 2 materials, and they can access other resources. I am guessing that these other resources are just repositories of stuff. Let's have a look at the podcast, for example. So it's just a repository of various videos. As I say, it's a different way of organizing things, but the most attractive aspect of it is that there is a timetable through which you access your online materials. There is also technical assistance here, concerns and student support, so somebody has thought this really through. As you can see here, I am being prompted to rate things at any time, and I'm being prompted here to the student evaluation for a unit. Let's click on that, which will take me to just a standardized survey The difference between this and MyDay is very easy route that you take from the courses and timetable to the learning materials associated with the timetable. I also like the fact that you can look back into what has been done. And I'm not sure whether this can be achieved with MyDay. Oh, that's it. Just some quick thoughts. Thanks. Bye bye.